Oh, shit.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Oh.
What's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? You alright, dog? You cool, bro? What just happened was, I was trying to teach this motherfucker how to ride the bike. I told him to hold the clutch, and he let the clutch go. The bike took off, and
My nuts.
that's what happened. Come on, man. You alright, bro?
Oh.
Oh yeah, the bike alright. The bike cool. How about you?
Oh, man.
This motherfucker laid my motherfucking bike down.
Real shit, man. No, real shit. I laid it down, like, on some real shit. On some real shit, I laid it down. Cause remember, it was falling.
Why are you walking like that?
It was falling. And I did like this. I just let it